In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up VS Code with Cursor and Claude Code for AI-assisted development from install to first run. We'll move from installing the tools to generating code and running it locally, keeping everything clear and practical. First, install Visual Studio Code from the official website at code.visualstudio.com. Choose your operating system, complete the installer, and open VS Code once it's done. This will be our editor and the place where AI will help write and refactor code. Next, install the Claude Code CLI. On macOS or Linux, open your terminal and run curl fssl https://claude.com install.sh bash. On Windows, open PowerShell and run IWR https claude.com install.ps1 uscb iex. When it finishes, verify the install with Claude version. If the command isn't recognized, restart your terminal so your path updates. Now add the Cursor AI extension to VS Code. Open VS Code, press Ctrl plus Shift plus X or CMD plus Shift plus X, search for Cursor AI, click Install, and then reload VS Code when prompted. This connects the editor to an AI workflow. Let's wire Cursor to Claude Code. Open the Cursor sidebar in VS Code, head to Settings, then Model, and choose Claude Code as the AI backend. Enter your Claude API key, save, and connect. Keep your key private and consider a higher capacity plan if you'll be working on large projects. Create or open a project folder. In your terminal, run mkdir Cursor Claude project, then cd into it and launch VS Code with code inside the project or